Chapter 18, Sloka 13. Panchaitani Mahabaho, Panchaitani Mahabaho, Panchaitani Mahabaho, Karanani Niboddhame, Karanani Niboddhame, Karanani Niboddhame, Panchaitani Mahabaho, 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 Karanani Niboddhame, Sankhye Kritante Proktani, Sankhye Kritante Proktani, Sankhye Kritante Proktani, Siddhaye Sarva Karmanam, Siddhaye Sarva Karmanam, Siddhaye Sarva Karmanam, Sankhye Kritante Proktani, 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 Siddhaye Sarva Karmanam, Panchaitani Mahabaho, Karanani Niboddhame, Sankhye Kritante Proktani, Siddhaye Sarva Karmanam.
Please like and share this video because you could be instrumental in helping someone around the world recite the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, thereby helping them to have a life of unending opulence, victory and prosperity. This is mentioned in chapter 18, Sloka 78. Yes, don't forget to buy my book, Leadership Can Be Child's Play. Namaste.